So this is our new garden project. We're based out in the Isle of Lewis now. So this clearing here, this patch of grass, the plan is to get more raised beds built. This is where the vegetables are going to go. And then up that bank, we'll get a small edible forest. And there'll be more coming on that in the spring. With a lean more towards shrubs and fruit production. So this is the bit we're clearing of willow. As you can see, it's just old fallen willows that have resprouted. Now to see if we can get some kind of veg on this bank. But most surprising of all, there were actually some blueberries growing among it. Some high bush blueberries. At least we'll find out in the spring if that's what they are. This shows someone's grown fruit here before. You can see they've not had light for a while. So I'll be pruning out the dead wood on them. See it there next to that sycamore. We've also got this bit here. It goes next to the stream. I think we're going to plant that up with some shrubs and trees, something a bit useful, or at least something to stabilise the bank. So I'm just going to finish getting all this cut down. The plan is it will be chipped, put it through the chipper, make bark chip or wood chip. We're lucky there's already some useful plants here. There's some nice sized alder trees, as you can see. There's a nice little hawthorn here as well. A couple of small elders. And there's some, it looks like dog rose. And a couple of wild raspberry grown in amongst this grass as well. So stay tuned, I think it's going to be a really exciting project. Thanks for watching.